Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mitsubishi Lancer headliner. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Start by unhooking the sun visors and removing their two screws. Next, carefully pry off the plastic covers on the four grab handles to reveal their two retaining bolts, then remove them. Finally, gently pull down the rubber weathers stripping from around all four door openings to begin freeing the headliner's edges. Now let's tackle the pillar trims. The A-pillar trims, located by the windshield, usually pull off with firm but gentle force, starting from the top. For the B-pillars, you'll need to pop off the seatbelt casing cover and remove a 10mm bolt. Once that's done, carefully pry the B-pillar trim away. The C-pillar trims at the rear are often held by clips and can be gently pulled off. Always use a trim removal tool to prevent any scratches or damage to your interior. With the pillars clear, we move to the overhead components. First, remove the dome light cover by gently prying it with a small flathead screwdriver. You'll find two Phillips head screws underneath. Remove these and then carefully unplug the electrical connector. Next, at the rear of the headliner, locate three plastic clips. Use two screwdrivers to gently pry these out. Remember to be gentle, as these clips are essential for reattaching your headliner later on. Finally, it's time to remove the headliner itself. Double-check that all accessories, pillar trims, and clips are completely detached. Gently lower the headliner board, being mindful of any lingering adhesive. The headliner is flexible, allowing you to carefully fold it slightly to maneuver it out through a rear passenger door. Having a second person assist, you can greatly prevent any accidental bending or damage during this step. Once out, you can inspect it for any needed repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.